Good morning, friends. Welcome to IT Techie. This morning will bring a big smile on your face. Most of the people like me are very fond of to purchase new phones. So I'm very excited to tell you about that. Yesterday Samsung has launched new phone, the Samsung Galaxy M40. So dear friends who are very curious to purchase this new phone, please get up from the bed and go to the market and purchase it. But before purchasing, just see my video. Here I have display all the features specifications of phones. So I'm going to begin this video from the specification. Well, this phone has a very unique properties with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 mobile platform and LPDDR4X RAM. It has more features like memory is about 6 GB RAM and storage you can expand your memory card to till 512 GB. Another feature is GPU is there, Qualcomm Adreno 620, and it has a hybrid slim slot. So you can take a look on my phone. I'm also very fond of phone. So yesterday I bought this from market, and you can see the images which I have displayed in. Moreover, display is so clear with 4K video recording with super slow motion at 240 fps. It has hyperlapse, and in addition it is having 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Well, it has come with Snapdragon 675 processor with Android 9.0 Pie and One UI 1.1. Fantastic! It is so zippy with 15-watt Type-C fast charger with 3500 mAh battery with 15-watt Type-C fast charger. Furthermore, it's so bling with a 7.9 mm sleek body and premium dual tone finish. Front camera with 60 megapixel selfie camera along with 32 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and also having 5 megapixel sensor depth, which is having 2.2 live focus. I hope you will like my video, so subscribe my channel to see something techy, to see something new. Thank you, bye bye, and stay tuned with us for our next updated